Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to log in to Binance. To do that, first open up the Binance app, which you can download from Google Play or App Store based on your device. After opening Binance app, you will see Binance account login page. There will be two options. First is email and second is phone number. Log in through whichever you prefer. In this video, I'm using the email. Type in your email and your password. And click on Continue. After that, to verify the security, it will provide you a simple task. Slide to complete the puzzle. After doing that, it will send a verification code to your mail. Now go to your email and there you'll see a login verification mail. Click on that and there you'll see the code provided by Binance. Now you just need to copy the code and paste the code. After doing that, click on Submit. So if you want to enable your Face ID, then you can click on Enable Now. If not, then click on Maybe Later. So that was the process of logging into your Binance account. If you find the video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification bell to get notified of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.